Many customers ask us after purchasing our sunshade net whether the car roof glass will leave any glue when it's removed. We conducted a high-temperature test on the sunshade net to simulate the situation where the sunshade net is attached to the glass under high-temperature conditions and see if any marks will be left. First, we tested at 80 degrees. We adjusted the countdown for 1 hour. The result is that there will be no marks left on the glass. Then, we tested at 160 degrees.
Okay.
We adjusted the countdown for 1 hour. The result is that there were no marks left on the glass either.